Hi, Terry VanNoy. Welcome to Math Class with Terry V. Hope this video helps you out, and if you enjoy it, please share it, comment, or like it. And you can also go to my website, MathPowerLine.com. It's a math resource blog, lesson videos for students, and other resources for parents and teachers. Give me a call or go to my website or email. All right, let's go to today's lesson. Alright, in this video series about logarithms, it's time to talk about evaluation. We're going to evaluate logarithmic expressions, and that's a matter of thinking about it as an exponential expression. And actually, we're going to avoid the calculator way of doing it because that's the easy way. But in the previous video, I showed how to take a graphing calculator and find logarithms of certain bases. And now we're going to do it sort of the old-fashioned way. Review, here's an exponential function, a to the x power equals some answer y, and that's our value. But if we flip it around, because logarithms are inverses of exponents, now we have log base a of x equals y. So if we can think back and forth from an exponential function to a logarithmic function, then we can evaluate these expressions you'll be asked to do in math class. Alright, in this problem set, I'm going to do the first couple for you so you get the idea. Again, we're not going to use a calculator. You can, but it's better to basically prove to yourself that you understand the concept by doing it this way I'm going to show you. So, log base 7 of 343. We want to know what the answer is, so I'm going to think of it as equals x. X is going to be my answer. Alright, now remember in logarithm form, that 7 to the what power equals 343. Okay, now it's simply a matter of just multiplying by 7 and how many times that it takes to get 343. In other words, 7 squared, nope, that's 49. How about 7 to the third? 7 times 7 is 49. 49 times 7 is 343. So x then must be 3. Again, 7 to the what power is 343. Okay, so we're going to be thinking about it exponentially. Now look at 18. It says log base 3 of 1 over 243. Okay, well, 3 to the what power is 1 over 243. Now the key to this one is to try to express this answer over here with a 3 base. Okay, now it so happens that it's going to be 1 over 3 to the what power? Well, let's see, 3 to the third, that'd be 3 times 3 times 3, that'd be 27. And then let's do 27 times 3, so 3 to the fourth. No, that's not quite right. How about 3 to the fifth? Yeah, if you check that on your calculator, 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 is 243. Now, notice that that's in the denominator of fraction. Here we go, back to exponent properties. That would be 3 to the negative 5 power, right? All right, so what power of 3 gives us 1 over 243? That would be negative 5. Okay, so express something in the base that it's being offered in, and that will get you your answer. Now you try these 4 examples and come on back. Number 19, the answer is 2. And if we think about it exponentially, 6 to the second power is 36. So our answer is the 2 there, of course. Here, log base 4 of 16. So 4 to the what power is 16? Yep. That's why our answer has to be 2. Here, 3 to the what power is 27? Yep. 3 to the third power is 27. So that's the answer I'm looking for. And here, 22, log base 6 of 216. 6 to the what power is 216? Yep. If we think of 6 times 6 times 6, that multiplies out to give us 216. So we are looking at that answer there. The logarithm is always the exponent that is needed. Alright, I'm going to have you try 2 more to finish this problem set. All right, 23 and 24, give it a shot. Go ahead. All right, how'd you do? Number 23, it should be 3. Why? Because 5 to the third power is 125, right? Yep, that's our answer right there. Here it's negative 3. Why is that? Well, 3 to the negative third power is 1 over 27. Right? Because it is 1 over 3 to the third power. It's in the denominator, so that makes it a negative exponent. Alright, thanks for watching this video series. Now we're going to be looking at the properties of logarithmic expressions. Alright, there you have it. I invite you to go to my website now, MathPowerLine.com, or email me or give me a call. The way I work best with students is live online in my classroom. So if I can help you in any way, answer some specific questions, the first lesson with me is free as I show you how everything works. All right, study hard and take care.